beautiful beings, how are you today? In this video we are going to talk about butterfly pea flowers and its benefits. But before we get into that video, of course I'm gonna pull an oracle card for you today. Today I have the Lantern Oracle deck. Do me a favor, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. As usual, we are going to focus on these cards. Put all your energy into it. Whenever you see this video, this card is meant to be for you. This is a timeless reading. And what I always like to do is cut the deck in half. And this is your card for today. Let's see. Presence of absence. Hold what is absent in the presence of your love. And this is your message for today. True loss and absence are when you lose all of yourself to the past too. During this time, focus on your breath. Have your eyes closed and hold your left hand on your heart. The need to cry may arise during this visualization. If so, good. To cry when we need to is always a good and healthy thing. Allow your tears to flow for however long and hard they need to. This is the body's, mind, and emotions' way of relieving, cleansing, and healing. Having a plush toy or pillow to hug can be soothing if no one safe is around. Although it may not feel like it at first, trust that there will be an end to your tears if you allow them all to come out. As usual, I am wishing you tremendous luck in your spiritual journey. I know sometimes it could be tough. It's not always all rainbows and sunshines, but you know, that's part of our journey. And I think it's beautiful when we go through something hard, because we come out a better person and learning these lessons, and then we could use these lessons to help other people. So once again, I am wishing you a lot of luck. You're gonna make it through. I love you guys so much. Now on to the video. So yes, today's video is about butterfly pea flowers. I'm excited to talk about this topic because one, I love herbs. So for this to be the first herb that I'm talking about on this channel is really exciting to me because this herb is so magical and I must share it with you. Blue butterfly pea flowers is scientifically known as Clitoria ternata. I'm gonna put it right down here because it kind of resembles and represents a female genitalia. Gonna put the photo right here so you can see what I'm talking about. And I think this is a tea that we should all become familiar with and understand how it works and how amazing it is for our body, and how this is a herb that you should start implementing in your everyday lifestyle. So we're gonna get right into more of this beautiful herb. So blue butterfly pea flowers are native to Thailand, Malaysia, and other Southeast Asian countries. In countries like Thailand, this beautiful flower herb has been used for natural healing and food dye for centuries. I know that there are beautiful dishes that the people in Thailand have used this herb for to make such colorful and inviting food. If you or your family are from Thailand, comment down below and share your culture with us. Let us know what dishes that these herbs are being used in. I love to learn about people's cultures, and then especially if you are a viewer from Thailand or your family's from Thailand, I want to know all about it. Also, it doesn't necessarily have to be about a dish. Maybe you want to add a little something about your culture from Thailand or Southeast Asia culture that you want to share down below. Comment and I would love to read and respond to you guys. There are reasons why this beautiful herb has been traditionally used in Eastern medicine and Ayurvedic medicine, which is one of the oldest holistic healing systems developed in India. And the reason being is for the amazing benefits that this beautiful herb has when you consume it. Now that I have given you somewhat of a background of this beautiful herb, let's get into the benefits, because this is why we're here, this is why we drink it, this is why it's been used for centuries. And this is why you should start implementing it in your daily lifestyle. So the first benefit of drinking this beautiful tea is that it has nootropic effects. Now, what does that mean? Within traditional and Ayurvedic medicine, this tea is used as a memory enhancer, it boosts brain functions, and is known to refresh the brain and reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress. So that's why a lot of people love to take this herb, because it helps the brain overall, and it has been given traditionally through these medicines. The second most popular benefit of drinking this tea is that it accelerates weight loss. We're always looking, I feel like society is always looking for natural ways to shred off weight that we don't need. So this is another herb that you can start drinking that can help you accelerate your weight loss. Free from caffeine, carbs, fats, cholesterol, sugars. This is another alternative if you don't want to drink plain water. The way that this tastes is, it doesn't taste like water, it tastes like herbs, but it doesn't taste too herbally. I don't know if that helps a lot. But it also doesn't taste like a flower. So it's like that really nice mild taste in between, and I think it tastes really good, and it's also fun to drink. Another added benefit that helps this weight loss is that this herb purifies the gunk of any food wastes and impurities while it regulates your appetite, making this a good weight loss tea and natural clarifier and detoxant. The third awesome benefit of drinking this tea is that it enhances your skin health. So this herb contains flavonoids that are compounds that are found naturally in fruits and vegetables. So flavonoids being present in this tea helps your body stimulate collagen production and helping develop and maintain skin elasticity. Drinking just 1 cup a day regularly helps eliminate any undigested food particles from your system. And this process helps cleanse the body, makes your skin appear brighter, it helps you remove dark spots and even uneven skin tone. The fourth amazing benefit of this beautiful herb is that it helps stimulate hair growth. So butterfly pea flower is known to stimulate blood circulation within the scalp. So it helps keep your scalp in a natural, healthy state. It has also been known to help people strengthen their hair follicles. And because of this, in natural shampoos and hair treatments such as masks or hair oils, they use this flower as one of their main ingredients. Like I said, there are many more beautiful benefits in using these herbs. Those are the top main 4, but I am going to give you some honorable mentions. They are a great antioxidant. They help diabetics avoid sudden spikes in their sugar levels. They are great for heart health and healthy eyesight. It also has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac for women and has been used to treat menstruation problems or white vaginal discharge. And last but not least, because I'm pretty sure there's more benefits, it helps reduce irritation of respiratory organs. Now that I have given you the amazing benefits of this beautiful herb, let's get into making the tea. I'm going to show you how the herb looks and what to do and how to brew it. So the brand that I use is called Kawan's Tea. You can find this on Amazon. I always say with any herb that you get on Amazon, any supplement that you get, make sure that it is organic and non-GMO. So right here, this brand has no sugar, no food coloring, is 100% vegan, is 100% natural organic flour, non-GMO, no gluten, no preservatives, no chemicals. So this is 100% clean herbs, and that is something that you want to look for. It doesn't have to be this brand, but throughout any brand that you use, you want to make sure that it has those things. So like I said, the brand that I'm using is Kawan's Tea Dry Butterfly Pea Flower. That's how the packaging looks. It is a 1.8 ounce bag. It gives you the instructions right in the back. And also, I would always like to say that whatever herb that you're looking for, make sure it's coming from the right country. So this is coming from Thailand, which is where this herb is naturally found. So you want to make sure that whatever herb that you get, it's from the place that it's naturally found, so you can know that it's more authentic and you know that it's not being built maybe in a lab or something. So you can make this beautiful herb into many different ways. Of course, you could put it in dishes for food dye. You can put it in lattes to see a beautiful blue color latte. I could show you a photo right here. And you can make this traditionally as a tea. Personally, for me, I like to make this into a tea because I love tea. And of course, you can use this herb for your hair, put it in treatments, whatever you would like to do, make natural shampoo, you can do that as well. But today, I am going to show you how I make my beautiful butterfly pea tea. So I'm actually going to put some of these herbs in here so you can get a better look. So this is your beautiful pea flower herb. I would also like to mention that this particular brand, it gave me a cute little wooden scoop. I love stuff that is made from natural material. So this is a bamboo scoop, and as you can see, this is a coconut bowl. So I truly do love things made from natural material. So what you would like to do is you would want at least 1 teaspoon of this beautiful herb to brew. 1 teaspoon is basically 7 to 8 flowers, because since the flowers are pretty much big, that's how much that can fit in 1 teaspoon. It's not like how some other herbs are more grind up, and basically 1 teaspoon kind of looks like a lot. So you only really need 7 to 8 flowers, if you don't have a teaspoon with you, to brew 1 cup of this beautiful tea. So I have my cup right here with my strainer, and I also have hot water right next to me. So basically, you would want to put 7 to 8 flowers into this little strainer right here and pour hot water over it to activate and to extract the beautiful benefits of this herb, and let it brew and sit in the water for at least 5 minutes. The longer that you let it brew for, the more deeper the taste is, the more deeper the color is going to be. So I am going to go ahead and do that right in front of you. Say hi. Hi. Look. She looks so mean. She's so cute. Right now, this is about 2 minutes in. You can see it's getting pretty much darker, and it's gonna get darker in the next 3 more minutes. And there you have it, this beautiful blue butterfly pea flower. This is how dark it gets when you wait 5 minutes. I will also like to note the reason why we use 7 to 8 flowers is because we don't need that much to get such beautiful benefits. And this bag is gonna last you a long time. I will also like to note, while brewing this tea, you want to make sure the water is like hot in order for it to truly extract and get this beautiful deep color. If you just have a hot temperature water that is not up to its boiling level, then it's not gonna extract really quickly or extract as much as you want it to. So you want to make sure your water is really hot. I can still see the steam coming off this, but yeah, look how beautiful this cup of tea is. Now, once you brew your tea, of course you can prepare your tea however you like. You can add honey, you can add milk. I personally like my tea without honey, without milk, without sugar. I like to drink it plain. And this is a perfect tea to do this because it doesn't taste too herbally, it doesn't taste too flowery. It's really hard to describe what it tastes like, but it tastes like a good tasting tea. It's not a tea that you would get bored of. Now, what's really awesome about this tea is that when you introduce an acidic level ingredient to this tea, it changes the pH level, and when it changes the pH level, it also changes the color of this beautiful tea. Just for you guys, I usually don't put lemon when I'm drinking plain tea, only when I'm sick, but just for you guys, I'm gonna add lemon to this beautiful drink to show you the magic and how amazing this drink is. So I have my lemon right here, and I am gonna put the lemon into this drink. Let me get closer to you guys. Tell me that wasn't magical. So by adding lemon, you are changing the pH level of this beautiful tea, making a beautiful, beautiful violet purple color. And it just brings more life and brings up your vibration. And there you have it, all the amazing benefits of blue butterfly pea flower. I hope you truly enjoy this video. I hope the benefits somehow convince you to buy this beautiful herb. I will link the product that I use down below. So if you want to buy the same product as me, I will link this one for you. Again, I hope the benefits somehow convince you to drink this tea and implement it into your daily life. Drinking tea in general every day is a better way of life, and the benefits you just can't beat. It's natural, it's beautiful, it makes you happier. Nature is so amazing. I love you guys so much. If you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have anything that you want to recommend, any video ideas, anything you want me to try out, put it in the comments below. I like replying back to you guys. If you have anything to add about this subject or you want to talk about another herb, let me know down below. You guys are so amazing. I am so grateful for you guys. You have no idea. I am sending you a lot of light and love as usual. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing month. I hope to see you guys later.